Good morning, AAHKS. I'm Dr. Kevin Fricka, part of the Anderson Orthopedic Clinic. I've been a member since 2005 and vice chair of the Humanitarian Committee. I'm excited to bring you a symposium on preoperative optimization and total joint replacement surgery. I've assembled an excellent faculty to discuss best practices and ensure that you're compensated for your efforts. Our focus will include preoperative optimization, nutrition and obesity, determining the appropriate surgical setting, and how to use the new PCM codes to bill for your time. By joining us, you will gain valuable insights into maximizing preoperative management for safer and better outcomes for your patients. Register today at the AAHKS website for our annual meeting, November 7th through 10th in Dallas. Join us for this lively educational event to enhance your knowledge. See you there.